Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to use a split screen on any iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have opened the app store on your iPhone. So you have seen my iPhone screen is split app is available on my iPhone. Then you have searched the split screen. Then second number option you have download on your iPhone is split screen dial window. So this is preview on your iPhone split screen for several tasks. Then second, you have watch video while browsing social network. Two webcasts at the same time on your iPhone. Watch the news and share with friends. Landscape mode while use in split screen. Then you have go back from here. So you have opened the split screen on iPhone. Then you have seen my iPhone split screen is available. So then you have this pass to use in any iPhone. So you have security app update iPhone is a recommendation. So cancel. So here's this video is so you have close from here. He's then you have this situation. So you have seen two webcasts. So you have one webcast, you have uh, Google, you have searching. Then second solution, you have second webcast, you have open the YouTube. This was to use the split screen on iPhone, on any iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.